Good morning. It is time to wake up.
Ha! Good morning, Mom. I am so sleepy. Is it time for breakfast, Mommy? First, I brush my teeth. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Next, I wash my face. Now I am awake. Ben, what do you want to wear today? I want the blue shirt. I want my green shirt, please. I love dinosaurs. Where am I? I can't see anything.
Here you are. Now you look great, Ben.
Mom, where is my other pink sock?
Is it under the bed? No, it is not here.
Look, Lily, your sock is behind the toy box. Oh, yay, thank you.
I am making pancakes. Do you like pancakes?
Yes, I do. I like pancakes with honey.
I am pouring the milk. 1 glass for Ben and 1 glass for Lily.
These pancakes are delicious. Thank you, Mom. Look, Mommy. I finished my milk. My tummy is full.
Good job, Lily. Now, let's go to the living room.
Dad, where is my green backpack?
It is on the sofa, Ben. Can you see it?
Yes, I see it. Yes! It is on the sofa. Thank you, Dad.
Does everyone have their shoes? Are we ready?
Wait, I am putting on my shoes. It is difficult.
Don't worry, Lily. First the loop, then the pull. Done.
We are ready. Let's start our day. Goodbye, everyone.